How to fix Cash App this transfer failed. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in this video we're going to discussing about why this happens when you're trying to make a transfer or add funds or maybe anything else, and it simply says that this transfer failed. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now one of the quickest ways you can actually fix this is just by changing the bank account or the debit card that you have added to your Cash App. So in my case, I just fixed this by actually going ahead and then changing my debit card that was previously linked to my Cash App. Maybe the problems with the bank or the Cash App application, they might not be working together at the moment, and that could be the reason why you're having this kind of issue. So in order to fix this, what I did was I just went back to my Cash App and then I just went to the option where it says linked accounts right over here, and as I went to linked accounts here, I would see the debit card or the bank account that I wanted to actually replace. So from where you're actually trying to add funds or from where you're having the issue, just select that payment option. If it was debit card, select debit card, and then here you'd basically find the option called replace debit card, right? So try to replace the debit card or the bank account if you have some other debit card or bank account. So if you happen to have it, just try to add those and try to make the transaction again, and that should solve your problem. But if it doesn't, then why this also happens is due to your bank and Cash App not working together. So in order to fix that, you can actually simply contact your bank. So once you contact the bank and then you try to add cash in that way, you can simply tell them to note down that you're not trying to make any fraudulent transactions, and you can ask them to enable the withdrawals and receivings or deposits on Cash App for your specific bank, because sometimes the issue could be with the bank. And after you've gone with the bank and then done that, you can also actually ask the Cash App support in order to go ahead and then actually fix this issue. So you can simply email them at support@cash.app. This is the official help support email. I'll make sure to drop it down below as well. When you email them to this specific email and let them know that you're having this issue, they should be able to fix this. But if you want to fix it yourself, just replace the bank account that you're trying to add earlier. Hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.